I'm about to give you some cold game if you watch this to the end. Levels of awareness. Why you need to understand your prospect's level of awareness and how to market to each one so you can run profitable marketing campaigns. What's up? It's your boy B, and I'm something like the marketing dude, right? And I gotta put you guys on game, right? Because if I don't do it, you might not get it. And if you don't get it, you might just get pimped, right? And we don't want you to get pimped, right? Because you know what that makes you. Levels of awareness, right? The biggest mistake that most people make is not understanding the different levels of the people that could be in your audience that you're marketing to, that see your post, that see your ads, right? Most people don't understand who these people are, therefore their message never hits, right? So understand, especially if you are a business opportunist, right? You have a business that you are actively recruiting people, you're exposing people to a new way to create income, whether it's cryptocurrency, whether it's forex, whether you sell CBD, it doesn't matter, right? The first group of people is your unaware people. And I put asterisk marks beside this because these are people that you don't want to market to, right? Your unaware people are people that they don't even see that they have a problem. They're not actively searching to solve a problem. They really don't care. These are your uninterested folks. These are your skeptical folks, right? Skeptical about everything, right? These are people that are negative, that you don't even really want to even be talking to about your business, about your opportunity, about your product, because they're not going to give you the energy that you even want to deal with, right? So don't focus on those people, right? The next group of people is your problem aware, right? I want you to understand that this, I'm gonna break all of this down in a second, right? Because within this, you have to understand. I made a funnel because these groups go from big to small. So your biggest group of people in the marketplace are your unaware people. They don't know about you. They don't know about your brand. They don't know about your product. They don't even recognize that they have a problem, right? You don't want to pay attention to those. Problem aware people are people that, for instance, let's say you have a guy, he's a little bit overweight, never worked out before, but he's recognizing, right? He's 30 years old. He's like, you know what? It's time for me to get in shape. I don't want to be unhealthy. He is now problem aware, right? Now, understand the way that you advertise and market to these different levels of awareness is completely different, right? The higher up on the scale that they are, or the farther away from awareness they are, the more information they will need, right? So this person will need more education, right? This person will need more value. Like this person is going to take longer to convert from a cold prospect to a sale, right? So you need to have an indoctrination prospect for this person. I want you to also understand that people that are problem aware can be a big asset to your business, right? Because these are people that are going to probably purchase, 2 to 6 months, or basically anytime after 2 months of of being able to be exposed to you, right? So you want to be able to build an email list of problem aware people. You want to solve their problem through your free offers, through your free content, so they can know, like, and trust you, right? Next group of people is your solution aware people, right? That could be a little bit different than your problem aware. Solution aware could be same instance, but a little bit different, right? Maybe a guy, he's ready to work out, right? Looking for a coach. But hey, look, he already used to be in shape in the past. You know, he kind of has an idea of what to do. He just needs a little bit motivation and maybe a program or some type of accountability partner to help him reach his goals, right? So the message would need less education, right? The message would be less education and more about here's a way that you can get started, right? It's going to be more direct. It's not going to have to connect through a long story and bring them in. He's not going to need a long indoctrination process because he's more ready, right? He's just going to need a specific program that resonates with him, right? So this is your solution person, right? Your solution person can quickly become a person that's product aware, right? This person knows about your product. This person knows they have a problem. They're already searching, right? This person's probably doing reviews on different products in your niche, trying to see which one works for them, right? So for this person, right, doing reviews, doing comparisons between your product and another product, what sets you apart, that's what's going to make that person come to the last one, which equals dollar signs to me, right? Which is your most aware. They know about your product, they know about your service, they know about your brand, right? And so you have to bring people through this process, right? Every day, there's more people moving from problem aware to solution aware, from a solution aware to product aware to most aware about you and your brand and ready to buy. They just need that one call to action that makes them reach out to you and decide to pull the trigger. Right? So understand now when creating marketing campaigns and understanding that this is your biggest group of people, a way to build campaigns that bring in fast results is to work this funnel backwards. And what I mean by that is create campaigns focusing on people that are most aware, right? And broaden your campaigns as you go throughout the months. Meaning you create content specifically, giving benefits and bonuses to help the people that are most aware join. And then your next campaign would be building content that shows the differences between your product and others, right? And then your next campaign would possibly be talking about um, being a little bit more broad and talking about solutions to whatever problem that your product or service solves, right? So I hope you guys understand that, right? This way, what will happen is your first wave of traffic will be highly targeted, right? But it'll be high converting. That way you get sales quick. Your next level may take longer, but you're not worried about it because now you already have things funneling in. And as you move up this ladder of creating content for these people, right? Because they're moving down as far as their level of awareness. But as you're moving up, right, your traffic is building momentum. So I might have gave you guys too much game. I went on a tangent. Just wanted to give you guys an idea, right? Most people make the mistake of creating marketing messages for people that are unaware and they're trying to get sales, right? If you're a business opportunity person that has a business that you can recruit people into, right? Stop trying to convince 9 to 5ers, right? If you are a health and fitness person, you have CBDT or whatever, stop trying to convince people to be healthy, right? That's not your niche, right? It's not your place to convince people to change, right? You never want to be in a convincing, arena. You want to always be providing value, guiding, and consulting, right? As the business owner, as the salesperson, if you can guide people, if you can show them how they can get the result that they're looking for, then sales becomes easy, right? But when you have the wrong message, or even if you have the right message, but only all of the wrong people see it, well, then you need to go back and build your foundation, meaning you got to go back and build your audience of people that are more aware. Either that or you coach these people and make them aware. Those are your only options, right? So I hope this video gave you guys value. If it did, leave a comment of your thoughts. Like it, like this video, share this video. Y'all will see you guys on the next one.